Hi, my name is Mike Vigil. I'm the Mobile Crusher Product Manager for KOMATSU. This is the new BR380JG Mobile Jaw Crusher, which I'm going to talk to you about this afternoon. This unit is the smallest of the 3 units that KOMATSU is bringing into this country currently. It's the smallest jaw. This unit is mounted on a PC 200-7 undercarriage. Very good tractive effort on this machine, very mobile. As you can see here, one of the new things that we've added is good access, big wide openings to the under conveyor. Take those rubber panels off and you have really good access to the conveyor underneath. Emergency stops on the machine. They're all around the machine, easily accessible. Push the red button, everything shuts down hydraulically. Push it again to release it, and you can start the machine back up again. Magnetic separator on the machine. It's a permanent magnet, sits right over the top of the 42-inch wide main discharge conveyor. Pulls the steel off in this rotation. Once it gets away from the magnet, it drops on the ground. Got good heavy-duty cleated belt to pull that metal away. Take-ups on this new crusher are on the head instead of the tail. No more digging in the dirt to put tension on your conveyor or to track your conveyor. You can see the marks so you can get even adjustment on both sides, easily accessible. One of the other new things that we have on this crusher are the return roller guards. We've done away with the cages. Cages were getting plugged, rocks were getting in them. You had to unscrew them, take them apart to clean them out. Now we have an open side on this guard and it still meets OSHA specs. We've added a spray bar to the top of the head pulley of the crusher. We also have another spray bar on the entrance to the jaw itself on the crusher guard, so you have 2 spray bars to help you control dust. I also have the adjustable belt cleaner, belt wiper, so when material is wet and sticky, it doesn't build up on the conveyor and roll back around on you. Grease zerks for the head pulley are at ground level. You just grease it from here. Greases the one side on the head pulley. The other side is running in the hydraulic motor, so it doesn't require grease. This is part of your water system water line. This is the lowest point in the water line. This is a drain. At the end of the day, you drain the water out of it. Clears all the fines out of it so you don't plug your nozzles. Again, you can see the rubber covers giving you access to the conveyor underneath. This is your main connection for your water line. All your valves for flow to the spray bar at the crusher and the spray bar at the head. And again, this is a drain line to clear out the line. Side discharge conveyor in the up position. You can see here we have a sensor. And this is in the up position. This conveyor will not run. In the down position, this sensor covers this plate covers this sensor, and the unit will run. Again, emergency stops, pin to lock it in place. Main discharge conveyor tail also raises and lowers to 3 positions. In the position that it's in currently would be for moving around a job site, clearance underneath the conveyor. You got plenty of clearance underneath the conveyor. You've got 2 positions below that to give you clearance underneath the jaw crusher itself. Second position if you're crushing clean rock. Third position if you're crushing concrete with rebar in it. Gives you maximum clearance underneath the crusher. One of the other things that we have with this crusher, which I can't show you, is a deflector plate at the base of the fixed jaw plate of this crusher. Deflects the material in a forward motion so it's traveling in the same direction as the conveyor is, thus allowing you to crush concrete with rebar and not punching holes in the conveyor as well. This set of switches right here controls both of these conveyors through this toggle switch. In the position it's in currently, it would raise and lower the side discharge conveyor. Switch it to the opposite direction and it would allow you to raise and lower the tail of the main conveyor. Grease zerks on the tail pulley of the side discharge conveyor. There's 2 on the head pulley of the discharge conveyor as well, the side discharge conveyor. Removable hopper panels to easily access plugging if you get something stuck inside this grizzly hopper. Take those two panels off and you got good access to that. This lever right here in this position, you're allowing the material to run out the side discharge conveyor. If you flip it in this direction, everything diverts into the chute and goes down onto the main conveyor and becomes product. Eccentric for the feeder. The feeder on this unit is flat. It's not inclined as in past units. And this is the eccentric system that drives it, that makes it vibrate. You got a sight glass here to view the oil level. It's a splash system. As the eccentrics rotate, they splash oil on the bearings and everything that needs lubrication inside. Pins, transport pins for this unit are attached and easily removed. No more nuts and bolts. Just spin it out, sits in a little saddle, and you're good to go for operation. For transport, take the pin out, put it back in place, keeps the vibrating unit, the feeder from bouncing up and down. You got this one on this side, you got another one on the other side, both in place. Now you're ready for transport. Now I've shown you everything I can show you on the bottom to this point. Let's go up on top and I'll show you the rest.